proven na nakakagaling talaga siya or may effect siya.
Yes, pag hindi proven kasi, meron kang or wala siyang tinatawag na safety profile.
Yes.
Hindi pinag-aralan kung safe ba ito. Yun yung anti-fear. Baka later on, mag-sacrifice mo.
Pero anong point ng mga companies na nagbebenta pa sila ng gano'n kung gano'n, eh, hindi naman pala proven ba? So talagang vigilant sila talaga ng mga tao yun kung bibili sila or not.
Oo, ayun. Pero siguro pag-usapan na nga natin itong lalapit na National Kidney Month.
Of course,
Magaganap
June.
next month.
Yes. June is National Kidney Month. It's actually a project ng DOH.
Okay.
This is started a few years back now. So every June, lahat ng hospitals around the Philippines celebrate this. Ang purpose of National Kidney Month is to promote awareness